through 15, 2010, where it is the vision of the East Texas Food Bank to have hunger-free East Texas and the Carter Blood Care to save lives for many blood transfused possible people. Whereas in East Texas, there are 400,000 people living near or below the poverty level, which means that they may not know where their next meal is coming from. Whereas approximately 600 patients a day receive doctor's orders for blood transfusion, and that prescription can only be filled by human blood. There is no generics. Carter Blood Care must see 1,100 donors every day to meet patients' needs. And whereas in 2009, the East Texas Food Bank distributed nearly 17 million pounds of food, which is over 13 million meals to hungry East Texans, you can help East Texas Food Bank feed our community by giving funds and giving time. And whereas Carter Blood Care volunteer donors provide life-saving blood for patients at over 200 healthcare facilities in 56 North Central and East Texas counties, you can help save lives in our community by giving blood. If anyone who gives once or twice a year make an effort to give once or twice, storage will be filled. Whereas needs are greater in recent memories, more is going out than is coming in. To help these in need, the City of Tyler and Smith County will come together the week of January 8 to 15 to fill the banks, both for the East Texas Food Bank and for Carter Blood Care. Now, therefore, Barbara Bass, Mayor of the City of Tyler, do hereby proclaim January 8 to 15, 2010, as Fill the Banks Week for the City of Tyler, Texas, and urge all citizens to join in recognition of this event to help fill the banks. Signed, Mayor Barbara Bass, Mayor of the City of Tyler.